Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about internal CSS. In internal CSS, what we are going to do is we are going to write a CSS code by using the tag called style. So by using a style tag, we are going to write the tag within the header section. Within the head section, we are going to write the CSS. So now here we can able to give the certain kind of attributes like body, background color is linen, and header 1, so which it is going to show the color which is red color, and the margins left is justified with 80 pixels. So now if paragraph is there, that will be enclosed with the curly braces, color is blue, and finally we are going to close the style tag and we are going to close the head tag, and we are going to open the body tag. Within the body tag we are going to write the header section. The section is red color applied to this particular heading, and within the paragraph section the paragraph is not affected, so because it is going to show a blue color. So now let us see. So now here we have written the same program which we are going to execute. So now today what I am going to do is I am going to use a VS Code. I am going to copy this program and I am going to paste it in the VS Code. So now I have pasted this program. So now here the font size is pretty low. What I am going to use is control followed by comma. So here if you want to type font size, so here you can able to make a lens one, and here I am going to type the 22. So now you go to here and you can able to see if you are okay with this one, you can go, otherwise you can able to still increase the font size to 25. So now it has been increased to 25 so that you can able to view this one. So now here if you want to run this particular program within the live server, so what I am going to do is, so here you can able to install the extensions. So and you can able to search for extension live server. Here I have already installed the live server. So now what I am going to do is I am going to right click this program and I am going to run the program within this live server. Otherwise you can able to run the program and so you can able to start the debugging. So next once the debugging is finished, so it is going to show in the Chrome. So now here the color red has been applied to this particular text which we have given within the header section. So wherever H1 is there, so there red color is applied within this heading. So now in the paragraph section we have applied this particular only color is blue. So now within the paragraph section color blue is shown, so which is opened in the browser. So instead of opening in the browser, it is showing a location called C drive HTML internal.html. So instead of that I will run in live server. For that right click, go and open with live server. So now it is going to show an IP address, so 127.0.0.1, which followed by the colon, next 5500 is the particular port number. I hope you have understood this program. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.